In a world where precision is power, REM Systems stands as a beacon of innovation. 40 years of unmatched expertise, a legacy forged with EROWA's groundbreaking technology. Where cutting-edge tooling meets intelligent automation and software, we shape the future of high-precision engineering. From the smallest component to the heaviest workpiece, every detail is perfected. Our team of elite engineers optimize every machine, unlocking the full potential of precision manufacturing. We don't just meet industry standards, we redefine them, seamlessly blending EROWA's flexible systems with our bespoke solutions. We empower our clients to exceed their goals. Beyond tools, beyond automation, we future-proof your success. Our retrofit capabilities breathe new life into machinery, enhancing productivity and ensuring reliability. Your investment is secure, ready for tomorrow's challenges. We drive your goals. We amplify your precision. We create your future together. REM Systems, where the future is in your control.